With an unfolded profile of under 0.5 mm and a folded thickness of about 9 mm, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to be among the tiniest foldable phones ever produced. The camera bump is the subject of a fresh controversy, though, according to a recent leak. The triple camera arrangement, according to the leaker, is situated on a notably sizable vertical island that extends significantly from the phone's body, particularly when viewed from the side. Next month, the phone is anticipated to make its official debut at its Unpacked event alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 7. The leak silhouette was displayed in early renders and teaser photos, and the foldable is probably trying to set a new record for thinness. The rear camera on the phone, on the other hand, appears to go in the opposite way. A powerful 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom are all expected to be included in the Galaxy Z Fold 7, according to the leak. An enhanced under-display camera for the foldable screen and a 10-megapixel selfie camera on the covered display are rumored to be feature phones. However, the camera bump has not been well received by everyone. A phone's smooth, minimalistic appearance is expected by consumers when it is widely pushed for its slimness. A big camera bump contradicts that promise for consumers who like their phones to fit neatly in their pockets or lay flat on a table. It can be annoying when a camera island is large. If the phone has a great camera, some users might not mind the bump, but for others, the phone's appearance and feel are just as important as its capabilities. A 6.5-inch Dynamic AMOLED to X external display and an 8-inch Dynamic AMOLED to X foldable screen on the inside are just two of the flagship-level features that the Fold 7 still has in addition to the camera bump. A titanium backplate is reportedly part of the build, although it's unclear if Samsung is staying with the aluminum armor plate from its predecessor or utilizing a full titanium frame. Along with these capabilities, the phone will also have a USB Type-C port, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, Wi-Fi 7, Wi-Fi 7 and stereo speakers. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.